Hello, everyone, and welcome to this outdoor practice. It's perfect for the morning or even to unwind during busy day. We are welcoming spring, and when it's finally warm outside, I highly encourage you to take your mat, go to the park, or even sit on a balcony or a terrace just to breathe in the blooming that's coming with nature. Today's practice is all about waking up and energizing our body. We are starting with a quick breathing exercise just to wake everything up. If this is new for you, just follow along. Sit tall and take comfortable yet alert position. Relax your shoulders, soften your face. We are doing short, quick exhales through the nose. Let's do that. Just short, and then the inhale will happen naturally. You don't need to think about it. Let's just try it. Inhale and short, sharp exhales. Just relax. Make sure your tummy is engaged and it's bouncing up and down as you do very sharp but short exhales. Let's try it again. Inhale, short exhales. Think of it like quick, light breaths, not deep, not forced. Start slow. Small exhales. Let the air come back in on its own. Make sure to keep your chest relaxed. Let your belly move naturally. No tension in your face or your jaw. Inhale. Relax. Stay light. Don't push it. If you feel dizzy, just pause and breathe normally. Let's find a steady rhythm now. Quick exhale. Consistent pace. And pause. Deep inhale. And reset. Slow exhale. Let's go again. Just deep inhale and slow exhale. Let's just do last few. Stay controlled. Inhale and exhale. Now notice the shift. You should feel very much engaged with your body. A lot of oxygen went through, and this is a perfect way to actually wake up and stay energized. So now that you've woken up your body, I think it's good time to get some movement done. We'll do our full body wake up or reset so you can feel good after this. Let's get started. You probably are already seated on your mat, so you can stay seated, cross-legged, or on your knees. Have your hands on your sides and just do very gentle shoulder rotations back. We'll start very small by keeping your hands on your knees and just rolling shoulders up and back. Very, very slowly, you're gonna get that range more and more, but we are starting small. Pretend that something is right on top of your head and pulling you up so you can keep your posture straight. Perfect. Up and then down. Let's change the direction. Moving forward and down. One more time. Up and down. Beautiful. That should feel very good. Inhale the beautiful smell of your room, of your surroundings. Feel good. Let's do same rotations, but we'll go a little wider. So we'll place our hands on the shoulders and then start again backwards, up and down. Do a few rotations here to engage the shoulders, to gain that mobility back. Beautiful. Up and down. All right, one more. And now let's switch directions. We're gonna moving up and down. Beautiful. One more. Up, down. Feel the spring coming up. It's beautiful. Summer is right around the corner, and that thought alone just warms me up. Let's now go full range. So straighten your arms out and then full on rotations, arms up and down. Full as far as you can go, okay? I'm gonna go forward first. Up and down. And then let's go back. Try to keep your back nice and straight. Don't follow your shoulders. Let your shoulders move independently here. Up and down. Should warm up your hands quite a bit here. All right, let's relax. Shake off a tiny bit of tension. And now let's just do quick rotations. First to the left, grabbing up nice and tall and looking behind you. Perfect. Stay here for a moment. All right, let's come back up. You can lift your hands up and transition to the other side. Just like that, nice and tall, looking behind your right shoulder. Perfect. Reset right to the middle. Now we'll go on all fours very gently since we've woken up our arms a little bit here. So we'll just reposition ourselves and just do very simple rotations on all fours, going clockwise or counterclockwise, whichever direction works best for you. Just like that. So we're shifting our weight on our hands and then back on the knees just a few times. And then let's change the direction. Going in here, up, and shifting it backwards. Beautiful release. Nice. Perfect. Now let's stay just like that. We're gonna extend the right leg up and we'll just do very gentle pulses up. I'm gonna hold it. You can actually keep your ankle either straight or down. I recommend doing this way. And then just pulsing a few times on top. All right, 1, 2, and 3. There's some noises in the background. Perfect. And then reset. Let's now extend the left leg and do the same thing. Again, lift up and then pulse a few times. Again, either feet kind of extended or bent, whichever works for you. Perfect. Keep pulsing. Very tiny, tiny range here. Tiny bit of pulses just to activate the glutes here. Perfect. And let's come on up. Beautiful. You can come on the feet, straighten up, interlock your fingers, lift your arms up and back. Let's bend the back as far as it can go. You can even look up. Deep inhale and exhale. Come on forward to child's pose. Beautiful, relax. Knees are bent. You can touch your forehead on the mat. And now let's come on up. We're not here for too long. Perfect. We're gonna come back on all fours again. And we'll just do same shoulder rotations we did earlier, but in this pose. So we're just gonna start with the right arm, circling up and back, and then the opposite direction. So we're just kind of shifting back and forth here. Try to keep your core stable and engaged. And one more time here, just a few more times back and forward. Try to keep your shoulders nice and square along the mat. And again, gain as much range of motion as possible here. Perfect. Let's do the same thing on the other side. The other hand going on forward and then back again. Perfect. Let's do one more time. Up, down, and back on forward. Beautiful. Keep that range going. Couple more times. Forward and back. Beautiful. You can come on forward into a Sphinx pose. So just nice and relaxed here. Extend your legs. Lift up nice and tall with your chest. Look up. Again, you can just do tiny little shoulder movements, just side to side here. Recalibrate. Enjoy how your shoulders feel right now. Perfect. All right, let's stand in the downward facing dog. One and only for today. Lift yourself up and come on up with your feet just kind of a little narrower than your hips and hands out right underneath your shoulders. Perfect. Just feel a very, very nice stretch in your calves. You can walk the dog here, so move your knees from side to side, feeling how that works for you today. Or maybe it doesn't. That's okay. Perfect. You can even shift your hips here from side to side, just getting a little bit more active in your hips. Perfect. So let's bring the right leg up, extend it, bend the knee down, and then bring the knee forward to your hands and lift up into our little pigeon pose variation here. Chin up. Don't forget to breathe. Let your hip stretch and extend. Beautiful. Should feel really good. Awesome. Now, before we move on to the next leg, we have to do it through downward facing dog again. So let's engage our hands first. Lift up, bring the leg back, or you can just extend it again. Rotate the hip a couple of times. I like to do that just to mobilize the hips here. Perfect. Bring it down. And then, whenever you're ready, lift the other leg up. Stay there. Bend it down. Stretch your quads here. And now gently bring the knee forward. right by your arms, and then lift on up. That should feel quite amazing. Same thing here, just looking up to the sky, enjoying the view, or maybe the ceiling. Perfect. Enjoy your stretch in the glute here as well. Beautiful. Okay, let's now come on up again. I like to shake the leg off, or you can rotate the hip just like you did on the other side. Perfect. And now let's just toe into our child's pose to reset. Perfecto. You can connect your hands in front of you so they're touching, they're interlocking between each other. And now lift your whole body with your hands up, just like that. Perfect. That should feel quite relaxing and amazing. Very quick flow with a focus on the fire breath. And I hope you're energized and ready for the day ahead. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Thank you.